Is your kid playing flag football or tackle and in need of cleats this season? As a parent of one or more active children, you'll want the best youth football cleats for kids so they aren't slipping and sliding all over the field. Defining the right football shoes for the particular style of play, flag football or tackle, is going to determine what kind of gear to grab before the start of the next season. Before you shop, let's dig into the variables of what makes the best football cleats for kids, covering all cuts and budgets, and highlighting one model that doesn't live up to its claims and price. Along the way, you'll find reviews of the top 3 football cleats brands, as well as the 9 best youth football cleats on the market in tackle and flag football, and the number 1 to avoid. And now, for GotFlagFootball.com's 9 best cleats for youth flag football, plus 1 to avoid. Coming in at number 1, the Under Armour Boys UA Highlight RM Junior Football Cleats. These are probably the best high-top football cleats for kids and among the best Under Armour youth football cleats. They have a synthetic but durable upper with a classic design based on a stylish black and white color combination with red, blue, and green options available for the laces and trims. The UA clutch fit technology used for the upper ensures the perfect fit and reliable support linemen need in order to enjoy maximum comfort, keep their balance during lateral movements, and reach maximum speed when the game calls for it. The sole is made of flexible rubber and has molded cleats to ensure excellent grip and traction on all surfaces. The die-cut EVA footbed ensures comfort and stability. Overall, these cleats are extremely comfortable and lightweight. Their only problem seems to be they're a little difficult to put on, therefore not suitable for preschool children. Coming in at number 2, the boys' Nike Strike Shark Grade School Football Cleat. Although not as popular as the Under Armour model reviewed before, Nike Strike Shark high-top football cleats are at least as good-looking, easier to put on, and very comfortable. They're an excellent choice for defensive players, linemen, and linebackers, especially when your kid begins to care about the looks of gear. Available in various combinations of black, white, silver, and blue. Nike's cleats have stylish yellow trims on the sole and a modern design that yields determination and courage. They will provide your boy with the support and confidence he needs, no matter if he or she is playing flag football or tackle football for fun or at a high-performance level. The Strike Sharks provide excellent ankle support, comfort, and stability due to the strap that's easy to hook and lube and the foam collar that wraps the ankle. Another feature that makes them one of the best football cleats for kids is the Phylon midsole, lightweight but with aggressive patterns that ensure excellent traction and improved acceleration and smart cushions for ultimate comfort. Coming in at number 3, the Adidas Performance Kids Freak Mid MDJ Football Shoes. The Performance line is one of the best Adidas created, and these performance football cleats could easily qualify as the best mid-top football cleats for kids. They have a very affordable price point, approval for skill sets from college and high school levels, and a flexible design that makes them suitable for both football and lacrosse. They have a simple yet attractive black, white, gray design that emphasizes the EVA insole, molded to provide excellent comfort. Its molded lugs are discreet but aggressive enough to ensure optimum traction on almost any playing surface. The top part of the cleats is low enough to make them easy to put on and take off, but high enough to support the ankle and ensure ultimate stability during quick cuts and speed. These are the best Adidas youth football cleats for quarterbacks, running backs, and wide receivers. Looking to learn more about the best cleats for youth flag football in this review? View the links in the description section and click to learn more. Coming in at number 4, the Under Armour Kids UA Hammer Mid-RM Junior Football Cleat. If you're an Under Armour fan and your kid is a quarterback, you're in the right place. These are the best football cleats for kids who prefer the mid-top design. Their price is extremely convenient for their durability and comfort, and their design is very attractive and versatile, making them suitable for other sports as well. The top is made of perforated and synthetic material to ensure ventilation and durability. Each pair of cleats comes with laces in 5 different colors to match any equipment. The power straps keep the foot into position, supporting the ankles and ensuring stability in all situations. The die-cut EVA footbed is cushioned to provide excellent comfort. The sole is made of rubber and provides excellent traction on most grounds. Contrary to what their hammer name might suggest, these cleats are lightweight and a pleasure to wear. Number 5. The Nike Kids Alpha Shark 2 3/4 BG Football Cleat. It's always a matter of preference, but in our opinion, these are probably the best Nike football cleats for kids, with a mid-top perfect for defensive secondary players, cornerbacks, and safeties, and also those who want speed, comfort, and stability. Although they were designed for boys, don't be surprised if you see girls wearing them in flag football. That's how comfortable, lightweight, and stylish they are. The secret seems to lie with the combination of synthetic leather and textile for the upper, ensuring flexibility and durability for the cleats, and comfort and optimum ventilation for the wearer's feet. The scratch deal emphasizes the modern design of the cleats and makes them even more attractive. Perhaps the most important feature of these Alpha Sharks is the Phylon midsole with its 3/4 wedge and mid-foot cushioning, providing comfort and stability. The excellent traction ensured by the aggressive rubber outsole is taken to the next level by the Nike Fast Flex technology, promising speed and natural performance. Add to that the low profile of the forefront, and it should be easy to see why these mid-cut shoes are among the best youth football cleats. Number 6. The Reebok Little Kid Jr. Audible Mid-2 Football Cleat. Although not as popular as the preceding model, these mid-cut cleats draw attention with their high quality, ingenious build, and their sleek design reminding of soccer cleats. They're durable, lightweight, and comfortable, and they come at an impressively low price. For the top of the shoe, Reebok relied on synthetic textiles complemented by a padded collar and a cushioned tongue, promising optimum comfort. For the sole, they chose a plate injected with TPU molded Mortrack FGT cleats and the already famous Hardlink arch system. The inner sole features a bi-fit board. As a whole, these cleats are an excellent budget-friendly option for both practice and games, grass, and turf. They ensure stability, traction, speed, and movement control. They support the arch of the foot, improving balance and stability, and provide comfort and flexibility, just what a young man needs on his way to victory. Number 7. The Adidas Boys Corner Blitz 7J Low. If your son plays as a cornerback and tends to draw attention on the field, you can make things easier for them with these Adidas Blitz. They're so practical and have such a versatile design, he can wear them outside the football field for other sports as well. They're also durable, so you won't regret paying the not-so-affordable price. What makes them the best low-cut youth football cleats? Their design is simple but attractive, promising to look good on any foot. The upper is made of a combination of nylon mesh and synthetic leather for improved durability and breathability. The strap and lace-up closure system ensures excellent fit, speed, and support. The EVA rubber insole is flexible, lightweight, and comfortable, while the outside provides traction on almost any surface. Number 8. The Nike Landshark 3/4 GS Youth Football Shoe. Kids show their talent for sports as early as preschool. When they love football, a simple pair of cleats can help them improve their performance and cultivate their passion for sports considerably. Don't get them just any pair of cleats. They deserve the best preschool football cleats, namely these Nike Landsharks. They have a comfortable, perfect fit and a breathable upper that combines leather and man-made materials. Their flexible lug sole with multiple molded cleats is designed to ensure stability, balance, and traction on all grounds. They're so comfortable that your kid will forget they're wearing them or will refuse to take them off when leaving the football field. Number 9. The Zephz WideTraxx Football Cleat Youth. The best football cleats for kids with wide feet. These Zephz are not the lowest priced cleats on the market, but as a parent, you do what you have to in order to ensure your child's comfort, safety, and well-being. It's important to note that besides being able to accommodate wide feet, also durable and lightweight, the synthetic upper is flexible and stylish. TPU outsole has rubber cleats and rivets for improved traction and speed. These youth football cleats can make an excellent choice for any kid, no matter their position on the field or their design preferences. Finding this review educational and entertaining? If so, please like this video and leave a comment below with your favorite cleats for youth flag football. Click the subscribe button and tap the notification bell to receive video updates. And now for the GotFlagFootball.com cleats for youth flag football to avoid. The classic sport youth streak mid-football cleats. Sometimes your budget is unable to support all of your expenses, and kids' sports activities bring about unexpected expenses. However, if you're under the impression you'll save money by buying cheap football cleats for your kid, you'll be surprised to find that replacing cheap gear is often more costly than going with the top quality equipment from the start. The affordable price of this classic sport model makes you oversee the details, but don't be surprised if they fall apart after your kid wears them to just a few practices. It seems this is the average lifespan of this brand. We feel you would be better off paying a little more and getting some comfortable and durable cleats. 3 top-rated brands of kids' football cleats. Perhaps none of the above matches your child's needs and personality, or perhaps you want to do your own research and you just need some guidance regarding the best brands. You'll find details of the 3 best-rated brands right now, and you can be sure they produce the best football cleats for kids of all ages and performance levels. Under Armour. If you want the best youth football cleats money can buy for your kid, we suggest you reach for Under Armour products. Overall, Nike and Adidas seem the bigger, more successful and reliable brands. However, Under Armour was founded by a professional football player. That should count for something. Its founder, Kevin Planks, and its history can be traced to 1996. It all started with the idea of creating a unique t-shirt able to provide compression, wick perspiration off the skin, regulate body temperature, and boost football players' performance. Now, Under Armour produces sports gear that caters to all athletes' needs, constantly improving their materials, technology, and design. In terms of youth football cleats, they've already conquered the US market, and the feedback received from overseas customers is more than encouraging. Nike, the world's largest sportswear manufacturer. Nike is one of the few companies that have understood the power and importance of storytelling. Their products tell a story of hard work, ambition, and constant desire to improve. A story of success written throughout more than half a century of athlete on-the-field accomplishments and off-field sponsorships. Named Blue Ribbon Sports at its founding in 1964, Nike received its current name in 1971. It evolved from distributing the creations of the Japanese shoemaker Onitsuka Tiger to creating its own sportswear. They've been doing it in a unique, impeccable style, worthy of the Greek goddess of victory the company took its name from. If the name of the Romanian tennis player Ilie Nastase, the first to endorse Nike, doesn't ring a bell, those of Michael Jordan, Roger Federer, Rafael Nadal, Tiger Woods, or Cristiano Ronaldo surely will. A single look at Nike's football cleats collection should be enough to convince you that your son's feet will be well taken care of in a pair of sharks. Adidas. You should find it easy to trust a German company that came to life almost 7 decades ago and wrote history in the sportswear industry. It was founded in 1949 by Adolf Dassler. If origins and experience aren't enough to convince you, perhaps the fact that Adidas is the largest sportswear manufacturer in Europe and the second largest in the world will. It seems success is not accidental in the Dassler family. Adolf Dassler's brother, Rudolf, is responsible for another famous and successful sportswear brand, Puma. The Adidas group includes Reebok, TaylorMade Adidas Golf Company, and Runtastic. You'll find the brand's name associated with professional sportsmen like Lionel Messi and Andy Murray, and sports teams from all over the world. The Adidas brand is organized in 3 groups: performance, originals, and style essentials. If you want the top quality, fit, and the performance for your child as far as youth football cleats are concerned, you should look for Adidas Performance Models. They were created for professional athletes. Originals products are a tribute to loyal customers and a tribute to the features that made the brand famous, while Style's essential products target the fashion market. Finding this review educational and entertaining? If so, please like this video and leave a comment below with your favorite cleats for flag football. Click the subscribe button and tap the notification bell to receive video updates. And now for the GotFlagFootball.com final thoughts on finding a pair of the best cleats for youth flag football. Believe it or not, you don't have to be a football professional to know what cleats your child needs. Just do your research and judge the models you come across from your child's point of view, as well as for safety from a parent's point of view. The answer will follow naturally, and you'll have the best football cleats for kids in no time. Let us know in the comments section below if you've discovered a particular pair of cleats that your child loves, or if you have a question for us to answer. Thanks in advance for leaving a comment below. Looking to learn more about the best cleats for youth flag football in this review? View the links in the description section and click to learn more. Did you find this review educational and entertaining? If so, please like this video and leave a comment below with your favorite cleats for youth flag football. Click the subscribe button and tap the notification bell to receive video updates.